So in the previous videos, we have learned about the different types of number formatting available. And specifically, we looked at the general number format, which is the default number format, and then the number, currency, accounting, percentage, date, time, text, and fraction. These are the number formats that we have studied a little bit in detail. And there are also a few other number formats that when we open Excel and then when we go to the format cells dialog box, you can see that there are some special number formats available. This is depending on the region or the location. And if it's in English US, you will see that there is a phone number special number format. So when you type in the information for phone numbers, it just formats it and displays it like a phone number. And if you choose social security number, you will see them actually display with 3 digits and a hyphen, 2 digits, hyphen, and then 4 digits. Again, you can also create your own custom number formats. And this is something we're not going to cover in the videos right now, but these options are available so that you can customize according to your needs how you want the information to be displayed on the screen. And this is something that you should be aware that Excel gives you a lot of ways to customize and a lot of control to you to decide how you want to display the information. And scientific is another type of number format that we didn't really go into a lot of detail, but it just displays large numbers in scientific format. But we covered all the other number formats in detail. So I recommend that you experiment and you use these different formats in your data, or you can use the sample data that I have in my spreadsheet here and play with it and see how the different formats are displayed and how you can change the different number formats by changing the settings that are available and see how it impacts your data. And that's the best way to learn all these different options available in Excel.